You suffered significant injury as a result of improper medical care by a doctor or hospital here in New York, and you think that by filing a lawsuit, you're going to get quick cash and resolve your case right away. Would you like to learn the reality? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. I was watching a video recently of an attorney in another part of the country who basically said, you can get quick cash in this car accident. We promise to get you quick cash in 30 days. Now, I will tell you that in New York, not only can't you say that, but in New York, if you have a medical malpractice matter and you think you're going to get quick cash and a quick settlement based upon filing a lawsuit right away, I want to tell you something. The answer is it'll never happen. You want to know why? For a number of reasons. First of all, it takes a tremendous amount of time to do a thorough investigation to determine whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. Assuming you have a valid basis for a case, and that's been confirmed by a medical expert, which, by the way, we are required to obtain medical confirmation by an expert that you have a valid basis for a case. Now, when a lawsuit is started, the defense has a clear opportunity to try and do a full and thorough investigation just like we did, and that takes a tremendous amount of time. And in all likelihood, the defense will have no idea what your injuries are, the extent of your injuries, what actually occurred in the beginning part of the litigation process. That's going to take many months for them to even get a true sense of what actually happened to you and what injuries you have started to suffer or have begun to document. In addition, your injuries may be ongoing. You may still be under the care of a doctor. You may still require medical care. You might need surgery, or you might have other ongoing problems. And the mere fact that you are still undergoing care and treatment means that there is no accurate way to determine the true extent and true value of your injuries. We can only do that after you have stopped treating with your doctors. So for those of you who believe that just because somebody says on TV or somebody says in a video, hey, we can get you quick cash by going ahead and coming to us and we guarantee that we can do this, I have to tell you something. In New York, no attorney can ever guarantee that, number one. And number two, it is virtually impossible to try and get quick cash for anything in a medical malpractice matter because the defense attorneys will take a tremendous amount of time, do a very detailed and thorough investigation, and in all likelihood, they will never ever get to the point of trying to negotiate with you until after all the discovery is done, until the litigation process is almost over, and that each side knows exactly what occurred, what the risks are of going to trial, and what the true extent of your injuries are. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an idea and an insight that what other people say in other parts of the country don't necessarily apply here in the state of New York. And that's important for you to consider as you're deciding what to do next. You know, you probably have questions of your own about your own legal matter. And if you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.